just a little video doing a colorful eyeshadow look because June is Pride Month, and coming up I will be joining in some Pride celebrations, so I wanted to do a rainbow colorful eye look. I know everybody else is doing them too, but I wanted to do my take on it. I was originally going to use the e.l.f. Chic eyeshadow palette book that I have, because it really is like the only entirely colorful eyeshadow look that I own, and when I was thinking of colorful eyeshadows, this is the first thing I thought of. And then I thought, maybe I'll challenge myself and go through all my other palettes and see if I can come up with a rainbow-ish look. Now, it's definitely not going to be very pure primary colors like I see a lot of other people doing. This is going to be a bit of an interpretation on a rainbow look. So I'm going to be using quite a few different eyeshadow palettes here. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eyeshadow palettes. For the sort of reddish color, I'm going to be using this color in the Blinc, sorry, this one right here, in the Blinc eyeshadow palette. And then while I'm here, I'm going to just mention that I'm going to use this color as sort of the orangish color. And I'm going to be combining that with a color in the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette in Warm Neutrals. So I'm going to be combining that with this color right there. For yellow, I'm also going to use 2 different colors because I didn't like the tone of either of these individually. So I'm going to use this color in the Urban Decay Gwen Stefani palette, which I feel like nobody talks about ever anymore. And then I'm going to mix that with the yellow color in this Natasha Denona Holiday Joya palette. And then for green, I am going to use the green in the Kathleen Morphe palette. For blue, I'm going to go back to the Urban Decay Gwen Stefani palette and use this blue right here. I'm going to use, for the purple shade, I'm going to use this single eyeshadow called Dragonfly from Colourpop. I'll zoom in, and we're just going to do this eyeshadow. I'm not going to talk through it. I'm just going to overlay some music and we'll just play with some eyeshadows. I kind of have an idea of what I'm going to do, but I haven't tried this out yet, so hopefully it works out okay. So there's the final look, close up. Just wanted to show how it turned out close up. I think it turned out a lot better than I anticipated. It turned out darker than I thought it would have. The colors I picked were all pretty rich. I also was not too happy that the purple and the blue kind of blended into each other. They weren't as distinct as I had hoped. I will link down below all the face products that I use. There's nothing too unusual or out of the ordinary that I use, so I just didn't bother filming that. I filmed that in other videos before. So that's it. So if you like this video, feel free to give a little thumbs up down below. And I'd love it if you'd subscribe. I hope to see you again sometime soon. Bye.